All right, 30 seconds to the open. Welcome to the trade of the day. We have 4 charts set up for you here. We're looking at the SPY on the left. That's going to be a 1-minute chart, just telling us how the overall market's doing at the open. For our actual trading screens, we have on the left here, this is Bed Bath & Beyond. This is our only long that I have up here. We could switch to that. Again, market's in the green, probably trending longer overall, so we shall see. But a lot of news, Bed Bath & Beyond, again, looking for probably a 20-cent stop or so, if you will. And then both these are shorts. We have NKLA and BIGC on the downside. So again, I'm watching NKLA first. Market just opened. So again, really looking to take it probably down at the 38.4 level if it comes down and hits it. If it sets up better, we'll try to get a better entry higher. All right, as far as BIGC's already kind of dropped, so we'll have to just kind of watch that. We would need it to back up to 84 or so before we would be able to turn around and take that short. So it needs to back up some. As far as our Bed Bath & Beyond, it's marching pretty higher, so we'll just keep an eye on it there. Again, looking at NKLA, looking for the 38.4 level to get into this trade. Again, it's going to be a short. Looks like it's about to hit it. There we go. 38.4 is your entry point. So we are here, and again, that's going to be a 40-cent stop is what we're looking at. Looking for a $1.20 move down. So chart keeps moving on me. So again, there's to show you that that's the direction we're taking it. 38.4 up to 40 cents is 38.80. So again, this is our stop out point. 38 even would be our 1R. So again, looking at that 1R and then holding it out for 3R, which this is 2R here. 37.6, and looking at 37.20 as our exit. So that's what we're looking for out of the NKLA trade. We are in that trade. All right, switching over to BIGC. All right, there's 2 R's in NKLA. Get your stop set in. So if it hits 37.20, we are back out. So get that drawn in here. I wouldn't hold any of it. I would let us get bumped all the way out and just call it a day for the 3 R's. All right, looking over at BIGC. Again, wanting to take this short. It's not really setting up yet. And again, Bed Bath & Beyond taking it long up 6.5 or so. I do like this move. I just don't like the getting an entry in this. For long. See how the overall market's doing. Down, market's reversing a little bit. All right, there's 37.20. So there's our 3R trade in NKLA short. So that gets a check mark. Again, I would not hold it. I just call it good and be done for the day.